Hello everybody. This is a 1993 Toyota Warrior motorhome, just recently restored. It's got the 3-liter V6, automatic transmission, overdrive. Front brakes are new calipers. We've got new pads as well, and new brake shoes on the rear brakes as well. Some changes that have been made. We've removed the front bunk window. The cab's been repainted. There's new filon on the front bunk and on the rear. There's new filon as well. And all new graphics. Got smoked LED marker lights. And there's our rear backup camera. This unit has an exterior shower. Rear tail lights are new. And this unit has a hitch as well. There's our standard LP tank on the side. We've got one-step easy crank-out awning. Got some side marker lights for extra lighting on the outside. This unit's equipped with a quickie electric step, so it'll come out automatically. Inside the cab, we've got upgraded Subaru seats. Everything in here is standard to a regular Toyota motorhome. Cruise control, tilt. We've got dash AC. Motorhome showing 142,000 kilometers on it right now. It's MP3 stereo. We've got airbags, and these we can control from inside. Just add air and just dump air. Auxiliary fuel tank is. This used to be a generator compartment. Generator's been removed, and this is where we fill our auxiliary fuel tank. It's a 50-liter tank. And there's our shore power hookup there. Under the hood, everything remains pretty much the same as stock. Not a lot changed here. The only thing that's really different is there's our pump for our rear airbags mounted. I'm not going to go on the roof right now, but up on top, we've got the roof AC, of course, and then we've got 310 watt panels, so a total of 330 watts of solar. It's connected to a solar controller, solar charge controller, and then this unit also has a lithium ion 100 amp hour storage battery. On the inside, real quick here, we've got a 12-volt fan. Got new roof vents. Sofa's been changed, upgraded. Folds out into a bed. And there's our dinette. That can be lowered into a bed as well. We've got dual sink, pull-out sprayer. There's our 3-burner stove and oven. And here's a switch for our DSI water heater. Just flick that on and our water heater comes to life. No pilot lights to light. Standard Dometic fridge, but it was changed. This is replaced in 2012. And we've got a 32-inch flat screen TV. And in behind we've got an inverter. We've got our inverter remote switch. It's a 1500 watt inverter. We've got a remote switch here so it's easier to access. Right now the TV's plugged in, so we can turn on the inverter. And then we've got some feature ceiling lights as well. We can turn them on, and then we can see our feature ceiling lights there. And you can move the TV around. It's on a swivel so we can adjust it. And standard shower. It's a new vent and fan on the back too. The rear window was removed, and so now instead we've got a mirror in the back. And that's about it. Here's our roof AC. We've got 900 watt microwave. And that's about it for the 1993 Toyota Warrior. Thanks everybody. Just a quick look at the outside lighting. New marker lights up top. Have the TRD projection courtesy lights on the bottoms of the door. Got some side white LED lights. New rear LED tail lights. We've got a floodlight as well on the back. New marker lights, LED. Two side patio lights. And again, the courtesy light on the passenger side. And then inside there's our feature ceiling light as well.